Well, it's Thursday, and you know what that means, don't you? It's time to go to Kimmy Kitchen and More. And what do we do on Thursday? What's new to me? Well, here's Kimmy's last week, new to me. And I haven't seen what she's done this week because we haven't got there yet. But I'm putting my video together today. Anyone can join in on this. You can do it once in a while or every week. I'm going to try to do it every week. And I do put things up that people give to me. They're not all brand new items. Because they're new to me, doesn't matter if they may be 5 or 10, 20 years old. If it's something new to me, it's fine. Well, let's go see what Grandma has to share today. And don't forget, join in, join the fun, join the party. We love seeing you here. And don't forget to check out that playlist and see what everyone had to share today. Well, this is something new to me. It was a gift from my granddaughter. She just recently gave it to me. I was telling her I needed to get some pens that were in green because I use a lot of green in my coloring. So she found me some dual tip pens, one with a brush and one with a fine line. And it's all to do with different shades of green. And oh, do I love it. And it has a watercolor base. So it's working out great and it's non-toxic. You know, we need to worry about stuff like that when we're working with all these different paints and colors and different elements to color our pages. I was so happy with them. They color beautifully, fill in the pages beautifully. I recommend this brand. Perfect. And then, on top of that, she got me this beautiful, beautiful coloring book, Night Garden. Oh my gosh, it is just beautiful. You can just see by the cover page. This is the outside cover page of this book. Look at how beautiful the artwork is. It's sort of eerie looking and just, whimsical like Grandma likes. And I just love it. And I'm going to do a flip through and let you see how beautiful this book is, each page. And don't forget, this is new to me, and I'm joining in with Kimmy. So please go check out this wonderful hostess and think about joining in. Well, let's get back to my wonderful book that my granddaughter got me. Isn't it beautiful? And look at the artwork just as you first opened this book. Isn't it beautiful? I can't wait to color these pages. Well, sit down with your cup of tea and get ready for a flip through. I know you're going to enjoy it because this book is beautifully illustrated. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please share this with all your friends. Bye.